Alrighty. I think I need to, I don't even know. Yeah, there it is. Okay, just a tiny bit this way. Okay, yeah, so let's continue. Where we left off was this is not focusing on the first error. Also, it's not running, so let's take care of that. We're going to go to the solution of use focus invalid. That's what we're going to be running. Let's just make sure that is working. Man, that is really annoying. I kind of am starting to think that I misdiagnosed that problem. Okay, so let's go to profile, get rid of both of those. And yeah, that should just have one. Then we save changes. Good grief. Okay, so what we're going to do first then is open an F2, close others. Okay, so I think I do need to turn off the turn off the form validation stuff when it's been hydrated. Yeah, then we've got to have a step back in form validation that turns off validation. Yeah, we're going to have that. Okay, anyway. So here we are on profile. And where's my form? Let's open up Rocket Rental really quick. Use hydrate. Nope, we don't have it. Okay. Oh, come on. What the heck? There's this sound effect that keeps happening. That was weird. What the? Okay. It happened again. What is this sound? I don't know what it is. Maybe I should quit some more apps. I don't know. It's been like 3 different sounds. So weird. There it is. Whoa. Huh. I think that might have something to do with VoiceOver. Because VoiceOver was acting funny too.
VoiceOver on break.
There we go.
Flag. Vertical line 0. VoiceOver off.
Okay, maybe that'll work now. Okay, so okay, there we go. So now we're not going to get validation warnings and stuff. Yeah, see, this is why I'm starting to think, am I running the same thing that I think I am? Yeah, it does not appear to be. I think I might be running the wrong app. Also, do you see how that doesn't line up? That is unfortunate. That's so close. Yeah, okay, so this is interesting. So we're 0704, and the port that this is running on is 7064. That should be right. 0704. What if I stop it and start it again? This would be really bad if this part didn't work. Man, we're not getting any logs. I do not know. Yeah, it is not restarting this either. What the? Oh dear. Okay, so if we cd into exercises 0704 solution and run the dev server here, we're not getting it there either. What? I'm working in the wrong file. How did that happen? How did I end up in the wrong file? And this is the big concern with how big this workshop is that there are just a lot of files. Oh, that's right. I clicked on open an app 2, and this is app 1, so that was my bad. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's bring in our, where is it? Use previous value. Here's use hydrated. And then on validate, nope, no validate hydrated. So if it's hydrated, then we know that we're going to be making requests. Whoa, it's Simon Swiss. What's up, my friend? Too. Yeah. Nice to see you, dude. I've been wanting to come back on your stream so that we can do some more design. Look, I've got emojis for SVGs and stuff. Yeah, so I've got the assets now, so I'd love your help figuring out how to lay things out in that really interesting homepage thing that we've got. So yeah, that'd be sweet if we could do that. And then I've also got light mode and mobile that I need to work out. So there's plenty of interesting stuff that we could do if you're still, I don't know if you're watching the live stream anymore, but yeah, if you're up for it, I'd love to do some more of that stuff. Okay, so solution, start app, open that up. Sweet, yeah, that would be awesome. Something went wrong, sorry about that. Wonder what it was. Use state is not defined. That makes sense. Would you look at how awesome that is though? That we got that error boundary, beautiful. Okay, save changes. Yeah, and it's focusing in the wrong one. That is a problem. Okay, so now that we know we're in the right spot, let's go use focus invalid and debugger this sucker. So we go boom, boom, save changes. Oh, right. Save changes. Okay, so first of all, form L elements at 0 is that one. So that's the first one. And it matches too. So what is going on? Form element. Yep, that's that one. Oh, I know what's going on. Goofy Kent. That's easy. Rookie mistake. Break. That's it. Okay, so find all those. Replace them with this. Break. Fixed. Save this one. Yeah, I'm going to be choppy while all this happens. But then the other thing we are going to do is I want to add this use hydrated. We're going to actually, let's make the exercise for it first. Yeah, here, we're going to stop this. So this will be 03. 03. O2 problem. No validate. Form disable form validation default validation. Okay. Okay. While I'm thinking about it, that's interesting. Oh, huh, that's kind of funny. Okay, fix MJS. Okay. Yeah, my computer's like, what's going on? You changed so many things. I'm confused. Yeah, this thing's a mess. Exerciser. That's in my clipboard, yeah. So if it is not a directory, return that. There we go. Did I have an exist in here? I do. No. No. We need if it is just a file instead of a directory, skip it. Come on, Copilot, you know what I want to do. I don't want to have to figure it out. If, yes, sure. There we go. Try that now. Sweet. Yeah, still need to make the app render this thing. Okay, so now in here, we've got username, or no, we're working in the profile thing here. And actually, you don't have to do anything in this. It's the solution that needs use hydrated. And we'll stick it right hydrated. And we need use state, but you're not complaining yet because you're super confused. Man, my editor is really struggling right now. Yeah. Okay, so then form no validate hydrated. Okay, cool. So then if we run the server now, and this is 06, that is, I definitely said 06. Start, disable default validation, let's check the diff. That's it. Okay. So then we come in here, we say manager, yeah. I know well, see, now that we have nice looking error messages we manage ourselves, we want to disable the built-in browser errors because they go counter to our design aesthetic. I don't know how to spell aesthetic. But we don't want to disable them completely just once our JavaScript has loaded to enhance the user experience. So we'll use a little trick to disable them only after our React app has hydrated. And I'm just going to give you this because you don't need to know how to write this. With that, or we effectively only need to assign the return value of that hook to the no validate prop of our form, and we're good to go. Okay, and then we go here in app 1. Copy, paste the use validate or use hydrate hook from the instructions to here. That was pretty interesting. That right there, that is Copilot knowing my old Epic React format for exercises. So that's kind of cool. Okay. And then right here, call use hydrate here and assign that to a variable called hydrate. And then add a no validate prop here and set it to hydrate. Okay, great. And that's manager. Great. Now our users won't get the built-in browser validation user experience, and instead they'll get our nicer one. But only after our code is ready to handle that. If the user submits the form before our code has finished loading, then they'll still get the browser's default handling or validation, which is handy. This is what we call progressive enhancement. Sunglasses. All right, cool. So then the last thing we're going to do for this new thing is set files. Now, I'm kind of curious if that messed up some things. Yeah, it's still refreshing. Oh, looks like, oh, nope, there it is. Dang it. Yeah, when it, there it is. When I add, when I do that add files thing, for some reason it adds a new line after these components here too, and that is awful. Like, it adds that line. I don't know why it does that. That's really annoying though. I'll have to figure that out at some point. Yeah, restore this to its former glory. Gosh dang it, that's so annoying. Hate that, hate that, hate that. Ugh, what a disaster. Okay, that was broken before. I don't know if y'all can hear that. Yeah, you probably can hear it. One of my boys is in trouble. Man, this is taking longer than I want it to. Those are deleted, I guess. Oh, right, because I moved a bunch of stuff. Okay. Great, so now the last thing we need to do is apply this hydrated stuff to every exercise after this one, or after, here, let's get rid of this for now so the find replace works properly. I don't know if this is going to work, but I probably didn't need to do that really. Okay, so coming up to the no validate, starting with this one. In settings profile, I'm going to take all of this, that should only be profile stuff. From there to there. And, oh shoot. What does it look like here? Yeah, use state comes last. Okay, use state. From here to there. Okay, but we want to exclude 05, here, exercises 05, and exercises 06. Yeah, we can do that. We'll fix the two places, so that's fine. Okay, replace all those. Great. So save this one. And then come down here and add okay, and then we come here and add hydrated, use hydrated. And then on the form, oh, no validate, hydrated. Okay, and I think we missed some. So let's go down here to this one. Okay, I think we got them all. Oh yeah, the last thing, I think we skipped over this one. Okay, good. We found those. On exercise 4. And then 6. Yeah. That's the solution. Yeah, okay, cool. Hold on a second. Oh, right, yeah, before we added the accessibility stuff. Okay, cool. Pretty sure we're good now. Hydrated on here. That's interesting. Oh. Aria. Yeah, I don't think we need it there. Oh, yeah, we do. Yep, we do. Definitely need it there. Okay, cool. That's the nice thing about these static testing tools. Okay, TypeScript can be done anytime now. I just noticed a couple messages. Let me take a look at those. Oh no, this message is on Twitter. I will look at it later. Mark is unread. Okay, cool. Actually, you know what? I want that back. Add no validate step. All right. Okay. Good, good. I'm not sure if that is old or not. Okay. Hopefully it's not bad. Okay. Yep, this is good. So we're good here. So now we can look at the solution. Okay. Here, let's do a callout info. Did I already talk about this in the main background of this? Error message. Aria error. Nope. Okay. Note that there is also Aria error message. However, screen reader support is unfortunately very poor for that attribute. We just need to do the best we can. Okay. Okay, so super. Now screen readers will be able to read out the error messages for specific fields. But we still need to tell the screen field is invalid, and it knows which fields are invalid thanks to aria invalid true. But no, we still need to help the screen reader user and non-screen reader users know or navigate more efficiently to the field that has an error. So let's do that. Next. A lot of what we do for accessibility in the web is manage the user's focus, keyboard focus. It can be really annoying if I click a submit button and then I have to find the field that caused the error I'm seeing. Wouldn't it be nice if the focus moved to the field that has an error? And what if there are two fields with an error? I think it would be best to focus on the first one. And what if the entire form has an error? Well, we should probably focus on the form and the screen form itself, and the screen reader will announce to the user the issue with the form. So that's what I'd like you to do next. Please. This is the perfect use case for use effect. But don't worry, the dependency list here is going to be quite simple. Now that I say that, I want to add a comment that says what should be in the dependency list. It should just be the action data. All right. Cool. And then, once they've finished with this, they will get Peter the product manager again saying, great work. This is a much more pleasant form to work with. That code you wrote looks pretty nice and reusable. Turns out we've already got it in a hook. Let's use that. Well, wouldn't you know, we've already got a hook called useFocusInvalid, which does exactly what your useEffect did that you wrote in the last step. Let's use that hook instead. All right, great. Awesome. Now you can use that hook anywhere you need. You have a form, and you don't have to worry about moving focus to the first error anymore. Great job. Okay, cool. And that is our accessibility exercise. And it is break time, so I'm going to stop this. We're going to add all this stuff. Finish exercise 7. And yeah, and then we're going to go on break. We'll see you in 5 minutes. Alrighty. So we're done with focus management and all that. Search engine optimization. All right, let's actually come back to meta exports, yada yada. SEO. Okay. When it comes to finding things on the web, almost everyone does so using a search engine. Most people, there's a growing diversity of search engines, but still Google is the king. Let's just get the crown. Nope, that is not the crown. Helping search engines like Google to properly categorize your content is called search optimization. Yeah, it's a broad job, very broad. Oh, sure. What are you gonna say? I'll just keep going. All right, how far are you gonna go? Okay. Now, it's a very broad topic, and we're not going to cover the specifics of everything here. Our primary goal is to help you understand how to properly use meta tags and other metadata tags. Use metadata tags like meta and title to help I'm going to stick that before this. Most of the meta, let's see, one of the first things you do, well, what am I trying to, I'm trying to introduce the title tag. The title tag appears in the head. Is typically what is displayed in search engine results in the browser tab. Yeah, and in search suite. So HTML, title, my page. HTML, let's do the full thing. There we go. And lines 3. Let's just say ... there. The meta tags provide, it's typically used and lots of what applies to search engines also applies to other tools that what category to other tools and social media platforms as well. So it's a good idea to spend some time thinking about your sources, your website's sources of traffic, and learning how to optimize your website's presentation on those platforms. All right. The description and is often used in search engine results as well as social media preview cards. There are many other types, but we'll leave that as an exercise for the reader. Well, and let's just do a little quick search. Hold on. Okay. Common metadata tags for websites. I always love searching for SEO things because you know that whoever shows up first in the search results is going to be the best at SEO. Okay. Man, this is quite in depth. Oh yeah, let's talk about the viewport too. One more we want to talk about. Well, let's see. Meta tags aren't only for search engines. They can also provide configuration. Yes. What this does is tell the browser to set the width of the viewport to the width of the device, set the initial zoom to 1. This is a common configuration for mobile browsers. Okay, that's good. You can start at Okay, cool. I want to see if they talk about OG image and stuff. Open graph, yeah, sweet. Wow. That's crazy. I did not know that. That is nuts. I recommend you do not use meta keywords in your pages. Wow. I am very surprised by that. That's crazy. All right. That is so crazy. Wow. Wow. Okay, great. In Remix. Remix has a built-in API for routes defining the meta tags that should be used when the route is active. It's similar in many similar in some ways to the links export, but instead, when a route defines a meta export, all the meta tags are from ancestor routes are ignored and must be manually merged. This avoids conflicts between routes. What do you think it looks like? Nope. File name, app, routes, sandwiches, tsx, and yeah, we'll just do that. Export. Okay, I'm gonna just copy the static. Sandwich shop. Oh yeah, char set is probably another good one. I wonder if the okay. I don't even know if I want to add this one, but it is kind of special because, yeah. A final, yes. This is pretty much always how you'd want to configure char set unless you're doing something funky with character encodings. Okay, we're gonna go with that. Okay. This meta configuration would result in the following. Keep in mind, or please recall that you're responsible for everything on the page between HTML and HTML. And that's no different here. You need to apply the meta. Oh, great. Remix docs. Component in the head of your document in your root TSX to ensure these meta tags are rendered. With that example above, and we'll just get rid of this stuff. We don't need the rest of it. You can also access, let's see. However, you do have access to the parent metas in the meta function, so you can merge them yourself if you so desire. You do. Okay. Access dynamic data from your loader in the meta export, so you can dynamically set the title, description, OG image, etc. for your page. Okay, where is that? Okay. That's enough for right here. All right, manager here. Let's add, have you seen, gotten a look at the browser tab when our app, for our app, it looks like nonsense. Let's at least add a nice title. Also, we should probably set a couple other configuration bits as well. Okay, good. And then phew, that's much better. Now we just need to make sure we add the meta export for all our routes so we don't have at least have a good default for our routes, and we can customize it on a per route basis. Okay, for dynamic stuff. Okay. For our user pages, we want our users to be excited to share their profile on social media and have their profiles show up nicely in search results. So hosts should have the number, so their name should appear in the title and description. The number of rockets they have, or ships they have available, or the number of trips they've taken should show up in the description. You know, stuff like that. Let's make the username pages awesome. Okay, my wife is calling me. Give me just a sec. This is one of those I'm a super husband moments because we lost all of the, so we've got privacy doors in a couple of the bedroom or the doors in our house for like, the bathroom and stuff. So it's not like an actual key. It's just like a little flathead screwdriver will open it up. we had these special little things that we had in different places, and we've slowly lost them all over the years. And the last one got locked in one of those rooms. And then my son, you maybe heard it like an hour or two ago. My son was mean and put his brother's blanket in one of the locked doors or left it in there or something. Anyway, so my wife was going to go pick up a little mini screwdriver to unlock it, and I had already ordered new ones, and they are in our mailbox right now. So 10 points to Kent today. Yeah, okay. Whoa. Okay, yeah. Coolio. What do these guys do in light mode? I should just do that. Okay, next time I come across this, I'm just going to go do exactly what they do as far as colors are concerned. Okay, cool. So, whoops. There we go. Okay, there's... Terrific. Now, our users can show off how many ships they've got without just by sharing their link on social media. And trips ships they've got, and trips they've taken just by sharing their link on social media. Brilliant. Okay, problem, errors. Okay, so go ahead and go to link to app to users I do not exist. Yikes, it's busted. Let's make sure that is the case. I'm pretty sure that's it. Should be busted. It turns out that when there's an error in the loader, the meta export can't use that data because it never showed up. This is a bug in the types in Remix because it should definitely warn you. And I've got an issue open about it. So let's exercise a bit of defensive programming. Make sure we're handling the error case. We can just default things to more generic values. Okay, great. Great. Now renders the proper error message instead of completely falling over. Good job. All right. Oh no, did you notice that we've lost the char set and viewport meta tags? Remember when we learned that the export, or that as soon as you export a meta from a route, the ancestor meta tags or meta is overridden? Well, that's what's going on here. We need to this is the our meta export has access to the parent or ancestor metas values. So we just need to merge the to grab the things we like and override the things we don't. This is a bit annoying, so I've got a handy utility for you to use, written by Ryan Florence, one of the maintainers of Remix. Okay, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, stop this app, go over to, whoops, over here to the diff. Yeah. It's already written for you and ready. Inline file is utils or app utils miss, and let's look at where that's at. Line 90. So go ahead and use it in your meta. And here's how you use it. These will override the ancestors meta. These will be appended to ancestors meta. There are use cases for simply appending rather than overriding, but we don't have them today, so you'll just use the first callback. Okay, cool. And that's it. Okay. And I am done. Whew. Okay, so if I had to give this workshop tomorrow, or like right now, I do have to give it tomorrow. If I had to give it right now, I could, because the content is ready. Okay. Where are we at? I've got 2 minutes to my next break. I've got to decide what is most important to do. I'm kind of thinking that I'm going to stop working right now and then I'll work later this evening. Do I have the latest? Oh, we've got some PRs. Cool. Thanks, Oneman. Address lint warnings. That's an easy one. Thank you. Ooh, I hope that's stable. I think it is. Let me double check something. No, it's not. It is not stable. Yeah, so we can't use that. Because every render, it will trigger this to run. I think I'm gonna I think I'm gonna merge that anyway, but I'm gonna come right back to it to fix this or to check on something. Okay. Yeah, we're actually safe. We're safe because we do the check the way that we do. So we're safe with that. It could be dangerous though. Beware when changing this use effect. set search params is, this is stupid, we're not going to do that. Set search params latest ref, use ref. Okay, cool, there we go. Now we don't have to worry about that. Set search params is unstable. Okay, cool. Fix set search param, or in browser set search params is unstable. Okay, so then let's look at our workflow here. We run this npm run build in example. Okay, so we don't need to run the build script at all. No, we don't. Yep, just get rid of that. Echo no build needed. Yep, I'll check the sticky PR2. Fix or chore CI fix example validation. Okay, good. Yeah, this looks great. So I did respond here. Did we end up doing the CSS only solution? Yeah, I want to see if we can do the CSS only solution. Can we do that? Okay. Apparently my break is over. Whoops. Yeah. Let's cancel that run. Sweet. Did that actually succeed? Nice. Good stuff. We're going to get a real green now. Hooray! Should have done that a long time ago. Okay, now I have a feeling it would be a really nice feature to have it auto start things for people as they're working through this, especially when you're on, oh, whoops. When you're on an exercise and you do this, and you do this. Oh yeah, we still need to figure out what's going on here. Let's see if we can figure it out. Close all this, close all this. We go to the solution. Start app. Okay, so here's the problem. It's 404ing. It's not just, oh, those things aren't ready necessarily. It's those things don't exist. And I think they're different. Nope. CSS bundle, FB6. Yeah, see, it's a completely different file. The Tailwind one, Q3LBQ, C5E. Yeah, the Tailwind one is the same. But yeah, the CSS bundle is completely different. The app ZQ5, that one's the same. Index23DOZ, that one's the same. So yeah, I guess they are. The manifest, I would expect manifest C7D59. Yeah, see, some of them are different. That is so odd. I wonder why that happened that way. I don't know. I don't know. But luckily, at least I fixed this, so you can refresh. Yeah, we're getting head requests. Maybe, I don't know. Those head requests are coming from the thing that checks to see if it's ready to accept traffic. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, let's actually go through all of these. Get rid of the test scripts. Thank you. Yeah, that's so cool. Yeah, it's a fix. Thank you so much. That is super rad. Sorry, I got distracted by my email. And I check my email enough in like productive ways that I don't make my email dock me in centered. We're waiting for this anyway. Cool, thank you. Okay. Yeah, let's talk about the Better SQLite 3 thing. Yeah, no jip. No jip is the worst. I think like Ragged Rental definitely requires Better SQLite, and there are a lot of tools that require Python and desktop development with C++. So I think it would be better just to require those things. Yeah, okay. This is very helpful. Do you think you could make a PR to troubleshooting? Do we have to add a troubleshooting step? Or to the README to add a troubleshooting section. At the very bottom of the README. Then we can link to that in the setup section. Okay, that's how I want to deal with that. Okay, I'm not sure what this is about, these errors. This tells me that the server wasn't running. So are you sure the server was running? That is not something we need to do right now, but that's probably what we should do. It should definitely not take more than 10 seconds. That is for sure. This is so cool that it actually completely finishes now. Yay! All right. Okay, now let's see how this looks. If we go to styling, actually no, we want routing. Start learning. Yay, that looks great with CSS. Oh, sweet glory. That is awesome. Thank you, One Man and Ayush, for the sticky scroll bar. I think that looks awesome. Okay, so I think One thing that would help a lot is being able to select specific exercises. So we're going to do that next. I believe that's navigation. And I think what we'll do is, I wonder in what situation, yeah, it's that situation. I wonder why that happens. Where's this thing rendered? Yeah, we render it in 2 places. Why do we render it in 2 places? I gotta sit down. Man, my back is sore. I only fell like once or twice. And it wasn't really big falls. So that's weird. Okay. So we're rendering this twice. There's step route. Here, let's get this thing running. Oh, right, because that underscore says layout not shared. Hmm. Oh, sweet. Yeah, if you just link to that, that would be perfect. Yeah, that would be perfect. And let me know if you can't do that or something you don't want to. That's fine too. I can do it if you don't want to. Okay, so yeah, I guess I don't want to share. Okay, what if we do this? Exercises. we wouldn't have a layout. Or yeah, we would. And the layout would just be and then this, oh, what are you complaining about? We'll see what happens with that. Unsure. Oh, that's okay. Yeah, thank you for those links then. I will fix that. Navigation needs the exercise number. Also, would be exercises. Yeah, this is not the way that's supposed to go, that's for sure. In fact, I would actually prefer, yeah, this is what we should do. Where's children? That's interesting. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Oh, good grief. There's a bunch of stuff in here. Okay, fine. We'll leave it here. Okay, cool. So then over here, we need a Remix loader. That does a lot of what this does. We'll add all the timings and stuff too, why not? And the header function for caching and stuff. You don't need the workshop title. Yep, cool. So let's see if that way it always shows up. So yep, I can switch between these and then close it. Yeah, now we're talking. Cool. Feel like we should probably give this a min width. That's interesting. Nope, that's not what I want. Go away. I don't know. It doesn't matter. It's fine. Okay, cool. So the next thing we're going to do is this layout is now also going to load exercise steps. Let's see. Problems and solutions. Probably just problems. Just enough to link to them. Where's navigation? Here we are. Oh, geez. Yeah, we do need the title. Dang it. Undo a bunch of stuff so I can get this. Oh, man. There you are. That's all I wanted. Okay. All right, I really can't work like this anymore. Okay, and then get rid of this export. And we just grab all this stuff, stick it down here, organize imports. Come on, organize imports, you should hoist. Good grief. Here. Okay, and then workshop title, data title. And it renamed it over here. So cool. Okay, and then, yeah, so for our problems, here, actually now we can say more easily, yeah, heck with that. Now that it's in the same file, I have no problem doing this. I just don't want that spanning multiple files, spanning across files. No thanks. And don't, yeah. Okay, great. So then next, what do we need from the problems? It needs to be the step number and the title. This will be easier. Step number, title. I guess that's it. Oh yeah. No, that's it. That's enough. Okay, so then down here, where we've got I see. That's what this. There we go. That makes sense. And yeah, if it's active. Oh, I don't know. Let's see what this thing thinks it can do. All right, let's see what that mess did. Huh. Could be worse. How many steps are there? Just 2? Oh no, they're all right there. Oh, sweet. So we just indent that, give them a little bit of space, and number them. Okay, so, and it works. Holy smokes, it totally works. Freak. Okay. Oh my gosh, it is 5:45. I've got to get going. Just a second. So we got to put the step here, and then let's do px do a margin, or where's our UL? Margin left 4. Let's add a dot. That looks so awesome. Nice. Let's do the clip. Where's this clip coming from? Man, I had no idea you could do all that stuff. Oh, here we're doing it right there too. But it doesn't seem to be functional. Okay, we'll figure that out later. To do, figure out how to make it clip in the corner. Whoa. Yeah, let's give him a little space too, anyway. This is a huge, huge help. Oh, that is so cool. All right, sweet. Okay. Feet list problem apps under exercises in nav. Oh, okay. Yeah, I've really got to go. So thanks everybody for joining for this nice fun time together. And yeah, tomorrow is the workshop. Holy smokes. There is still time to pick up a workshop ticket if you want. We still got 12 left. So, yeah, anyway, hope you all have a wonderful night, and we will see you all in the future. Bye.